Hey everyone. So I am almost done with stringing my Wiremap / my Lumarca um, display. I have about 80 strings on there right now, and but it's good enough for what I wanted to try doing, which is mapping finger position to well, just kind of like hand gestures and um, um, yeah, to a shape inside the display. So what I have here is a glove with two infrared sensors attached, infrared emitters attached, and they're right next to these visible light emitters. And that's just so that it's easier to keep track of where the IR LEDs are. So that's what they look like when they're turned on. Turn them off. And I have a Wiimote here. You can see that. And yeah, I had that Wiimote sensing those IR LEDs. And then I am able to track 2 fingers at a time, so I can control the shape, the size of like a 3D diamond inside the display. And I can change the color based on the speed. So if I'm moving my hands more quickly, then the diamond becomes redder. When I'm moving more slowly, it's more blue. So yeah, just to show you what it looks like right now, I'm going to run that program. So let's see here. Gotta do this. Okay. And I have to program and voila. So right now I'm moving my hand to the left, then to the right, moving it up and down, and then I'm going to change the size of the diamond by pinching my fingers and expanding my fingers. And if I start moving my fingers and start shaking it really rapidly, then it becomes quite red. If I slow it down, then it becomes more blue. So there you have it. This is how far I've gotten.